Make your first step into your truck stellar with the Putco Black Platinum Door Sill Trim. We've got a special one for you today. This one is going to be the GM licensed. Perfect personalization to any Chevy or GMC. We do Ford too. You do get one, of course, for the front and the back. Feast your eyes on that gorgeous bow tie emblem, laser etched into a T304 stainless steel constructed trim piece. Simply peel the 3M backing and stick. That is all it takes. 5 minutes of your day and you will absolutely love every step in and out of your vehicle. Whatever you drive, we are more than guaranteed to have a fit for you.